Boom shakalaka, are you kicking yourself that you didn't buy Bitcoin last year at $15,000? Well, today's episode, we're going to take a look back a year ago today to see were there any indicators that Bitcoin was about to rally. Just in case this happens, maybe in another 4 years, you might catch it then. Stay tuned. Boom shakalaka, the one signal that has preceded every major Bitcoin rally is lighting up again. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at the one signal that has preceded every Bitcoin rally. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Today, Extreme Fear 22. I almost think the Fear and Greed Index is a stable coin nowadays, just sticking at 22 for like everything. But if we take a look, the overall market up 5% today. Bitcoin at 16,490, Ethereum at 1161, BNB at 272, XRP 37 cents, Cardano 31 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon 86 cents. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, although it has broken above this previous downtrend, we're still underneath the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages, still under previous all-time highs at $20,000. But you can see we have this descending wedge, and oftentimes they break to the upside. Now that being said, it is the moment of truth for Bitcoin. This trend line right here has already held for 5.5 years. Make it or break it. Will this time be different? It appears like the cycles might be repeating themselves. Serious capitulation right here that we have been in. And in each time, these capitulation wicks were the bottom of the cycle. I mean, there's nothing below capitulation. So we're just in capitulation for as long as needed. As a matter of fact, it looks like inflation may be poised to recede from here. The weak CPI print of October put downside pressure on U.S. interest rates, narrowing rate differentials with Europe as well. Underlying trend in inflation peaked back in March. Historically, it's proven a good leading indicator of headline and core inflation. If inflation turns around, could the markets turn around also? Insiders think yes. If we take a look at the NDX corporate insiders, they're loading up on cheap valuations. You can see right here, follow the smart money, not your emotions. Now, Bitcoin right now, just recently getting rejected from the short-term holder call spaces and the realized price. But this is not the first time Bitcoin failed to break these two aligned resistance levels. Next time we'll have to try and have a stronger base. You can see it happened right back here in 2015, where a couple times it took to break through. Back here, it also took a couple times in 2019 to break through. Right now, rejected off of the first attempt. But this is looking like Bitcoin is entering the final drop phase. Happened in 2018 with similar MACD behavior. We can see this where price came down. Final drop, we had a similar drop in the MACD before things took off. Could we have the same type of event occurring? Possibly. If we take a look at the Gaussian channel, Bitcoin has a special relationship with the Gaussian channel. In history, Bitcoin broke up with the Gaussian channel and made up again. Bitcoin never leaves the Gaussian channel for long. They are lovers destined for a long time. You can see broke up, fell below, made up, all better. Again, broke up, made up. I wonder how the makeup sex is with Bitcoin and the Gaussian channel, but it shan't be long before Bitcoin once again makes up with that Gaussian channel. Now, this one thing right here is pretty incredible because in the bear market, Litecoin likes to front run Bitcoin. Is Litecoin showing the way to Bitcoin like in previous cycles? We can see Litecoin here having a rally before the Bitcoin rally. Litecoin having a rally before the Bitcoin rally. Right now, we are seeing Litecoin starting to rally. Could this be an indicator of a Bitcoin rally? As a matter of fact, if we take a look, when Litecoin outperforms Bitcoin, this is the Litecoin Bitcoin comparative on a weekly charts right here, we can see up 200% before Bitcoin took off, up 360% before Bitcoin took off. Now this one right here, up 120% before Bitcoin crashed, but here up 130% before Bitcoin took off. So in most cases, a bonus or Litecoin price going up has preceded Bitcoin price going up. Could this be the last case? Because TechDev saying here, in his humble opinion, if the Bitcoin chart were upside down, bears would be shorting. You would have an ascending wedge, generally goes down. Not only that, but we have a bearish divergence right here with price going up RSI going down. Now both of these are inverted. So with the invert of that, if this is a bearish chart, then the true chart would be bullish. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.